pure genius design from Florida comes in at number 2.
At number 2 is the GMX7. This is a great product. I'm so happy it made it this high in our ranking.
And I'll tell you, I'm not surprised to see this one so high. It combines so many important parts of design, the industrial design, the design and engineering of new technology that leapfrogged what existed before.
One of my favorite projects. I think it was amazing their ability to take this huge, decades-old system to shrink it down to something you could hold in your hand.
It works better, it's tiny, it's smaller, it's more economical, it's sustainable. All the things that we think about doing as designers. This has it. It's got it all.
If you ask someone in the 1850s how to move things faster, they'd say, get a faster horse. And this story is kind of like that. And that thing over there, that's the horse. Until now, it's been the standard for resistance training for swimmers. But back to the horse. There's gotta be a better way. David, we're here at the Shark Tank Selby Aquatic Center in Sarasota, Florida. Amazing facility.
This is the type of facility is needed for athletes these days. So I was a world-class swimmer, won world championships, broke some world records, and got boycotted in 1980. And so I ended up quitting swimming and running from it. And didn't get back into it until just a couple years ago, after being out 37, 38 years from it. And I walked on the deck a couple years ago, and this was there. And I thought, man, we're still in the dinosaur age with this.
This thing's huge.
Yeah, it is huge and cumbersome. In layman terms, this here is the 1970 payphone, and we invented the iPhone.
Kerry, welcome to Roe Brady. This is where the magic happens.
Rob, I mean, I gotta tell you, this is state-of-the-art industrial design.
Well, when David first came to us, fellow Auburn guy, love him, that wasn't a product for Roe Brady. He talked about that power tower, and I looked at it and I said, Roe Brady doesn't do dinosaurs.
Yeah, you didn't want to do a faster horse.
Exactly. So what I wanted to do was to give the best experience to that swimmer. Mm-hmm. So when we started to question the question, what do you really want?
Right.
We want state-of-the-art, never been seen before, aquatic resistance product. This was an original design beginning to tackle the core question. And you're saying, what does this look like other than a pipe bomb? Well, the reality is there's BBs inside here. And as you twist this, the BBs would compress and the line would get greater resistance. Mm-hmm. We knew with this was that little spark that said, there's something really different here.
Yeah.
Can't make it like this. We needed to make it more manufacturable. And that's the nice thing about the studio. We're always looking from a design for manufacturability standpoint. What's the end game? That's where we went to this piece right here. Mm-hmm. Joel Chartier, senior mechanical designer at the studio, came up with these ideas of these little pieces here. And as they compressed, they had the same effect over here.
Right.
But these little guys are things that we can make and we can stack them up. And if you notice from the pool today, that was 25 meters.
Yes.
And it's one direction. That's the beginning and the end of that story.
Right.
With this product, it's 50 meters.
50 meters, yep.
There and back. And so this has been a paradigm shift for the resistance training.
All right, so I'm really interested to see the actual final version of this.
You want to see the final product? This is the GMX7 final solution.
Wow.
1,000 times better than the first question that was asked.